Hello everyone. Thank you once again for tuning in to Amazing Abner. My name is Tom and this is episode 3 of our 2020 NFL Blaster Box card unwrapping, unboxing series. And we started the series off with an unboxing, unwrapping, so to speak, of Score. Then we did Rookies and Stars here in the last episode, so we're going to get that out of the mix. And we have to decide what to do today. I think this is going to be our best bet of getting something of value. Absolute, I know there's that one Kaboom, Joe Burrow, that I would love to get. I don't really know anything about Sage. Again, I'm new to the card market. It seems like Panini owns everything. But apparently they do not own Sage. Sage is still a standalone company. If you know anything more about Sage, please let me know in the comments. As I said, I'm here to learn, hoping to have fun, hoping to get some valuable cards, hoping to be able to put them on my eBay store and sell them. But, you know, I certainly want to learn. And is this the only non-Panini company out there? But with that said, I think we'll go ahead here and open up this box of Sage Premier Draft. We have 3 autographs in every box. In our Score opening, we've got one Joe Burrow Ohio State rookie card. It was just a base. In the last episode, which we opened the Panini Rookies and Stars, we did not get a Joe Burrow. So, could this be our Joe Burrow right here? Could we have a Joe in all 3 of these boxes? Well, in this video, we're going to find out about Sage. Sage Lewis, Stephen Calvert. Oh man, check it out. Okay, as I mentioned for Sage, it was their marketing that has pushed them into video number 3. The 3 autographs in every box is compelling. And an exclusive 2021 Top Prospect autograph card, randomly inserted. Who could that be? Trevor Lawrence, Justin Fields. Okay, so we open it up, and that is what we've got. So we have a pack of Blaster base cards and the Blaster autograph and parallel cards, with the Sage guarantee on the bottom. So we'll leave this one for last. That'll be the suspense. Let's just take a look at our base cards. I won't complain if we get a base Joe Burrow. We like to get any Bengals, but especially Joe Burrow. All right, so try to do this so it's a little easier to see. And hopefully this autofocus doesn't keep going in and out. All right, Isaiah Simmons. Justin Jefferson. Can't go wrong there. DeAndre Swift, 2020 Next Level. Got a Kalijah Lipscomb, if I'm saying that correctly. Kamal Martin. AJ Epinesa. And I'm doing the best I can, folks. Obviously, I'm going to butcher some of these names. Cole Kmet. Jalen Moore. Got a Cole McDonald. Zach Bond. Christian Wilkerson. Clavon Chason. Tua Tagovailoa, rookie. A Trey Minter. 2020 Next Level, another Tua. 2020 Next Level, James Morgan. Bada boom. There we go. 2020 Next Level, Joe Burrow. Put that aside. Got to put him in a sleeve. DJ Dallas. Jonathan Taylor. Another Jonathan Taylor. Desmond Patman. Ty Crowder. Khalil Kareem. Jordan Love. Raekwon Davis. All right, number 2. Wow. Getting to be a big fan here of these Sage hit cards. Put that in a sleeve. All right, 2020 Next Level, C.D. Lamb. DeAndre Swift. Kyler Duggar. A.J. Terrell. Kenneth Murray. Lynn Bowden Jr. Patrick Taylor Jr. LaMichael Petway. Brandon Ayuk. Jerry Jeudy. Lynn Bowden Jr. I believe that's our second card of him as well. James Morgan. I believe the second James Morgan as well. Isaiah Hodgkins. Lucky Jackson. Khalil Tate. Another Jerry Jeudy. Sage Lewis. Stephen Calvert. Oh, man. Check it out. A Joe Burrow high school star. Wow. That's his Athens, Ohio uniform. That's really cool. Putting it in a sleeve. Harrison Bryant. I'm assuming the value of these, any sort of the big Sage cards, which are going to be the box of Parallel and Auto, that probably they're not on the level of the Panini cards, but again, let me know in the comments. If you guys can teach me, I'm an open book. I would love to learn. Cam Akers. I do watch videos, but my video watching is primarily eBay videos. I do squeeze in a few. There's like a Packers 87 and some other gentlemen that seem very popular, and they know their stuff. So I try to learn what I can from guys like that, but if anybody wants to spread some knowledge in the comments, I'll take it. Carter Stanley. A Next Level Jordan Love. And Kenny Willocks. All right. The moment we've been waiting for, guys. Now, that went pretty fast. It's going to be a quick video. 3 autographs. Obviously, it goes without saying. We'd like a Joe Burrow. Trying to be somewhat delicate here with the cards. Because if by some weird chance I would find something of value, and again, because I don't know, but I'm just saying, I don't want to bend a corner or something. So we have Brian Edwards. Cam Akers. Get you a little bit closer here. Shane Zylstra. High school record breaker Jonathan Taylor in a USA uniform. That's pretty cool. So we'll put Jonathan there with the Joe Burrow. A.J. Dillon. Little Next Level C.D. Lamb. Chris Orr. Justin Jefferson. Very nice. Next Level 2020. Okay, 3 autographs in every box, and we have not seen an autograph yet, so well, I've already spoiled the next one. Stephen Montez and another Joe Burrow. I think this might be identical to the one that we had. Man, I wish it was autographed. Okay, Terrell Burgess. Okay, our first autograph, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Womack. So there we go. Good old Matt Womack. And I almost dropped it and bent a corner. And we also have an autograph, Devon Hamilton. So we got an O lineman and a D lineman here. And it looks like a Riley Neal is next. So quarterback Riley Neal autograph. Akeem Davis Gaither. Zach Moss, and what the heck? Is that our fourth Joe Burrow? Holy moly. So, well, we made out like bandits on the Joe Burrows. So now out of the 3 packs, the 3 blaster boxes we've opened, we have the 4 here, and then we have the 1 score. So we've got 5 Joe Burrows. So we are going to go ahead and box up these autographs. If you made it through the entire video, please consider liking and subscribing. My channel is primarily eBay oriented, but anything that I find in these unwrappings, as I always jokingly say, besides the Joe Burrows, we're probably going to try to sell on eBay if we have some sort of value. So if you're watching this and you've seen something that you would want, hit me up. Or if there's something of value that you don't want, but you're like, hey, by the way, I just want to let you know, please, by all means, I'll take any and all advice I can get. So thanks again. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you back here for one of these 2 in the next video. And then, of course, the final video in the 2020 football unboxing series will, well, you know what? We're probably going to go ahead and do Absolute in the 4th video and save Panini for the 5th. So spoiler alert. Well, all right. Thanks again, guys. Take care, and we'll see you next time.